Joe Biden declared a federal emergency for swaths of Mississippi hit by a devastating tornado as rescue workers continued to search for survivors on Sunday morning, with a death toll of at least 26 people caused by catastrophic storms in parts of the U.S. deep south. 25 people were killed and dozens injured in Mississippi throughout the state's low-lying Delta region and around its northeast portion, with another man dying in the neighboring state of Alabama. The fatalities were the most for a tornado in Mississippi in more than 5 decades, as the twister hit hardest in some of the most economically deprived areas of America's poorest state. In the Delta town of Rolling Fork, with a population about 2,000, entire neighborhoods were reduced to rubble. Video of the aftermath showed crushed cars, a toppled municipal water tower, and bent trees shorn of their limbs. The White House announced a major disaster early Sunday morning, unlocking federal funding to 4 counties in Mississippi hit hardest that can be used for temporary housing, repairs, and other programs to help businesses and community members recover financially.